up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know.
Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle and welcome back to our channel. So as you can see, I am being surrounded with different types of planes or aircrafts. That's because in this video, we are going to explore the US Air Force Armament Museum. This museum is adjacent to Eglin Air Force Base in Valparaiso, Florida. Valparaiso is a city in Okaloosa County, which is still part of the Fort Walton Beach, Crestview Destin Metropolitan Statistical Area. It is open from Monday through Saturday from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. but closed during federal holidays. All are welcome, and although admission is free, they will be very happy to accept your donations to keep the place running and in good condition. Inside, you'll find more gorgeous planes and other armament collections or displays that were absolutely nicely set up. Shown in this picture are 5 USAF servicemen standing at ground zero precisely under a point of nuclear detonation. And here is the gun vault, which displays a variety of weapons. It also features the Sykes antique pistol collection with over 180 handguns such as dueling pistols, Civil War pistols, and many more. There are also a wide variety of bombs, missiles, and rockets that are exhibited in this museum, including the newest air-to-air missile, the AMRAAM, and the GBU bunker buster. AMRAAM is an American Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile capable of all-weather day and night operations, while bunker buster is a type of munition that is designed to penetrate hardened targets or targets buried deep underground such as military bunkers. This one over here is the Tactical Ground Sensor System, which is designed to collect, evaluate, and report data on enemy vehicle and personal movements derived from tactical ground sensors.